सब्सक्राइब करो ये चैनल को नोटिफिकेशन को मंचो नाक बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो Exercise 3B class 10 question number 2 find the value of k for which the following system of linear equations has no solution ये today k ni value को हम नक दनंगेन देवने नो मंगसा condition को अंसो हा the system of linear equations has no solution that is no solution ni condition around jo a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 wo condition ko ino chakalemna k ni value ko amna gdanange first equation there kx plus 2y equal to 5 this implies kx plus 2y 5 karabode minus 5 equal to 0 then first equation then again pada 3x minus 4y equal to 10 this implies 3x minus 4y 10 ko left side on about a minus 10 equal to 0 with equation 2 here a1 equal to k b1 is equal to that 2 c1 minus 5 and e2 equal to 3 b2 is minus 4 c2 is minus 10 4 no solution ade a1 by e2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 ya condition ko again this implies that a1 by e2 de k by 3 equal to b1 by b2 de 2 by minus 4 is not equal to c1 by c2 de minus 5 by minus 10 this implies k by 3 is equal to 2 de 2 1 times 4 de 2 times the positive by negative de negative 1 by 2 demna 5 de anthamade 1 times ino de 2 times demna negative by negative de positive so this is not equal to 1 by 2 the first 2 ko compare kaimna k ni value ko rangot nanggen from first 2 dade k ko jakasyu nungbo demna 3 ko right side stina rangbo cross multiply kaimna k is equal to 3 into minus 1 de minus 3 by 2 yes sir k ni value minus 3 by 2 number 3 find the value of k for which the following systems of linear equations have infinite number of solutions you know the k ni value ko amnak tananggen demna condition around jok infinite number of solutions sub number 1 2x plus 3y equal to 7 k minus 1 into x plus k plus 2 into y equal to 3k first equation there 2x plus 3y equal to 7 this implies 2x plus 3y equal to 0 habo, minus 7 equal to 0. Equation 1. Meaning about k minus 1 into x plus k plus 2 into y equal to 3k. This implies k minus 1 into x plus k plus 2 into y minus 3k equal to 0 in equation 2. Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 7, and a2 equal to k minus 1, b2 equal to k plus 2, c2 equal to minus 3k. For infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions. For infinite number of solutions, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Again, infinite number of solutions to condition. This implies a1 by a2 there, 2 by k minus 1 is equal to b1 by b2 there, 3 by k plus 2 equal to c1 by c2 there, minus 7 by minus 3k. Tadi anga your first two here again. Minimize again from first two. Tadi cross multiply hajol again. Tadi k plus 2 into 2 each there, right side tadi k minus 1 into 3. Tadi 2 into k plus 2 equal to 3 into k minus 1. This implies that multiply about 2 into k, 2k, sign a plus, 2 into 2, 4. Then 3 into k, 3k, plus into minus minus, 3 into 1 to 3. This implies 2k, 3k ko left side owner about a minus 3k equal to minus 3, 4 ko right side chira a minus 4. This implies 2k minus 3k de minus k, minus 3 minus 4 de minus 7. So the left side, right side ni negative cancel. So this implies k equal to 7. K ni value 7. Number 4. Determine the value of k for each of the following systems of linear equations have unique solution. You know the k ni value ko amnak tarangya dimna conditioner ongjok unique solution. Sub number 1. 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. In the kx minus 6y minus 8 equals 0. Yapan equation 1 again, then yapan equation 2. Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 5, and a2 equal to k, b2 equal to minus 6, c2 equal to minus 8. For unique solution. Unique solution ada a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Yeah, condition. Unique solution needed. So this implies a1 by a2 only 2 by k is not equal to b1 by b2 there 3 by minus 6. Now they cross multiply minus 6 or 2 equal multiply kabo 2 into minus 6 dimna 3 kamashi bas again dimna k kosak chirwangs again. This implies that the 3 there 6 there 2 times dimna plus into minus there minus acha k ko ichibak rabasigna k is not equal to the ikonga ichibak sis again zakra chibak plus into minus to minus 2 into 2 there 4. K not equal to minus 4. Yan answer.